And we move to something else.
Okay, I'm going to give my something, and then I stop on the way. Yeah, okay, sorry, I started something and then I stopped on the way. Yeah, I'm going to talk something small about Lokichar Wildlife Conservancy. Lokichar Wildlife Conservancy is found in the park. It is found along Moroto and Kotido. It's found along Moroto and Kotido Highway, 46 kilometers from Moroto. It's a conservancy, and it also has components. One of those the components under River Lokichar Wildlife Conservancy, we have River Lokichar cultural and ecotourism troop, which is this group you are seeing here. We do organize such dances, and also this group is very talented. We also do make art and craft, and all these products you're seeing them wearing, the beads, the cape, and even the skin you're seeing, we make them our own selves. And we came with also our products that we make, even the cultural food. And we have a table where we are selling some of these products that we make. And this is to preserve our culture, not to let our culture die away. Even the cultural foods, we came with the cultural foods. They are well packaged, like hakuring, emuna, angwadish. We have all those things. For those who are interested, please feel free to come to our table and have a look of some of the products we do make. All this is under River Lokichar Wildlife Conservancy. Then we also have River Lokichar Cultural Village and Kraals. It's found in Lopei. Even River Lokichar Wildlife Conservancy is found in Lopei. I think some of the people come from Moroto. They have been to that place already, where we have been launching a lot of activities. And also next year, that is where the cultural day will be held from. We shall be the host. That is for next year, Napa. Yes, yes, it's a very beautiful place with a very beautiful scenery, and it's a very good relaxing place. So when next year, not only for next year, even when you'll be going back to your homes, you can still pass by. It's at the junction as you branch to go to, for those who will be living at Beam, as you branch to go back to, as you branch to go back to Matai. There's that junction with both of Lopei as you're coming. This is the
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, right about now, allow me to say something. Wait,